Hello everyone, today we are going to make this very beautiful peacock feather. Here is the list of the material you will need to make it. Here I am using half strip of purple color paper to make a loose teardrop shape. So now I will attach one yellow, one orange and one blue strip to make the outer part. Now we will attach the two teardrop shape to make a heart shape. So now we will attach the three strips, first blue, second orange and third yellow like this, and rotate it and cover it as shown. So now the center part of the peacock feather is ready. So now for the green part of the feather, we will need this rate of pieces which is made from quilling comb as shown. Cut the extra strip and apply glue and secure the end. Remove it carefully. Pinch it for a proper shape. So now we will attach the upper part of the feather, starting from the smallest one to the biggest one as shown. Press it to give a proper shape. complete it similarly. It will look like this after completing. So for the lower part, I am attaching 5 strips like this to make a stronger strip. So for the lower part, I am using this type of comb as I will need little space and more strips. I have used total 2 strips for it. Do not apply glue. Pinch it like this. Now I will pinch it in the opposite side like this. Unfold the strip as shown. Now we will fold it with the crease that we have made previously and in a zigzag manner like this. Complete it. It will look like this in a decreasing order. Let it dry for some time. Apply glue like this to attach the another part. Attach it very carefully as shown. Cut the extra strip. You can also make a large one using the same technique but increasing the size of strip and form like this. Complete the other side in the similar way. So guys, here is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you like my ideas, subscribe to my channel, share it, like it. Thank you for watching.